Want to make money with augmented reality AR? You've come to the right place. AR is booming, and today we're exploring opportunities to get you started. Let's go! AR in retail. Build AR apps to enhance the shopping experience or consult with brands on a real estate agent showing a home in AR. AR in real estate. Offer immersive virtual tours to buyers using AR, a sector in high demand. AR in education. Create interactive learning tools for schools and institutions, a growing market. AR in entertainment. Develop AR games or interactive events. Pokemon Go has proven that this sector is profitable.
To get started,
use platforms like Unity or Vuforia to create your projects. AR offers opportunities in app development, consulting, and more. So what are you waiting for? AR is waiting for you. Subscribe for more tech tips and opportunities.